Hi, I'm Luna. Whoops, there we go. Okay, hi. Hi, I'm Luna. Mom of two, recovering interior designer for the wealthy, and accidental therapist to every client who's ever cried over marble countertops and their marriage in the same appointment. Somewhere between picking grout colors and watching billionaires panic over brass finishes, I realized something life-changing. They're not smarter, they just understand money like I understand floor plans. Every dollar has a place, and nothing is by accident. So, yeah, I need to pass down my inheritance, not the kind that sits in a trust fund, the kind that grows because I made huge money moves with strategy, spreadsheets, and too much caffeine. I want to pass that to you because this is the only family meeting where the goal is to get rich and stay richer. I used to design homes for people who literally had gold faucets, like gold faucets. And one day it hit me. If I can design spaces that hold wealth, why not design a life that builds it, using everything I've learned from years of working inside the homes and minds of the wealthy? You've probably seen those finance bros yelling about hustle culture or that one girl on TikTok saying, invest in yourself, bestie, while selling a $600 course. Yeah, we're not doing that here. We're going deeper. The behind the curtains stuff rich people actually use and do, like how they borrow money to make money legally, or how they build assets that pay them while they nap. I'll show you how to do that without a trust fund, without burnout, and with better taste in backsplash. Think of this channel like HGTV for your net worth, except instead of flipping kitchens, we're going to be flipping financial ceilings. Because getting rich is one thing, but staying rich, that's where the design really starts. Subscribe, stay comfy, and remember, wealth isn't built overnight, but it can be designed every day. Thanks for stopping by and hope to read you in the comments.